Do you want to read someone's messages on Instagram but don't want them to know that you have seen their messages? Then I have a trick for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And without talking anymore, let's begin with the video. So I'm going to show you how you can view someone's messages on Instagram without them knowing. For that, I'm going to use two of my Instagram accounts. Alright, so yeah, that's the first account that I'm going to use to send the message to another person. So here I'm going to send the message. So as you can see, I have sent the message. Now I'm going to switch back to this account to whom I have sent this message. Alright, so I'm going to go and switch my Instagram account. So that's the message that I have just received. Now I'm going to go and search for this person. And then you have to go to their profile and then you have to tap the three dots at the top right corner. From here you have to select the restrict option. So as you can see, the person has been restricted. Only you and the person can see their new comments on your post, and their chat is now in your message request. You can unrestrict them from their profile. So that's the message you have received. Now I'm gonna go back to my message box, and as you can see, their message has been moved to the request section. So I'm gonna tap that. So here is the message that I have received from them, as I have restricted their account, so that is why it is showing in the request section. Now I'm gonna go and open the message. So that's the message they have sent me. Hi, what's going on? Now I'm gonna go back and move to my own account from where I have sent this message. Now I'm gonna go to my chat box, and as you can see, I have read the message, but still it is not showing seen. So that's how restriction works. You can restrict someone's account if you want to view their messages on Instagram without them knowing. So they will not see the seen notification or the pop-up, and they will not know when you read their message on Instagram. And in case if you want to unrestrict them, you can do that anytime by just going to the message section, to the request section, and open their chat. Here you will get the option to unrestrict them. So that's how you can unrestrict them again, but they will still not see the seen message for the message you have already sent, but they will see it for the new messages that you will receive. Alright, so did you find this video helpful? Do let me know in the comment section below, and for more informational content, subscribe to my channel and do visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post similar content. You can also give me your feedback and suggestions for my next videos in the comment box down below. And now I will wrap up this video. Thank you for watching.